Hello students, this is unit 5 and we are going to see what is there in our surrounding मतलब अपने आजू बाजू में. Okay, see the trees around us. We see plenty of trees around us. Some trees are small while some are big. कुछ trees बहुत छोटे होते हैं तो कुछ बहुत बड़े भी होते हैं. There are different kinds of trees. Big trees grow tall. They have a thick trunk and plenty of strong branches. Now see, this is a big tree. It's a banyan tree. It's a big tree. It has a strong trunk. This is a trunk and these are the branches. Okay, they are also very strong. Small trees. These are small trees. Small trees do not grow much in height. They have thin branches. See, this is very small tree and they have very thin branches. They do not grow very high. They are short trees and small also. Creepers. Plants which need the support of a thing to grow are called creepers. Now, the creepers मतलब जो किसी के support से चढ़ते. See, this is a grape tree and they have made a bamboo, like they have put in the this mud, and with the support of that this creeper is rolling and growing up. Okay, so these are big trees, small trees and creepers. All trees have different kinds of leaves. Look at the different kinds of leaves shown below. Now see, these are all different kinds of leaves. Papaya leaf, banana leaf, coconut leaf, tamarind leaf. Tamarind मतलब इमली. Banyan leaf, people leaf, mango leaf, neem leaf, shoe flower, rose, lotus and cucumber leaf. These are all different types of leaves. All leaves are different from each other. सब leaves अलग अलग दिखते हैं हमेशा. Okay. Now the parts of the trees. The parts of the trees, the trunk, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds are the main parts of the tree. Besides this, the trees have roots which are firmly fixed under the ground. They support the trees. Now see, these are all parts of the trees. These are the roots. This is a trunk and these are the roots. These roots are below the ground. उन ज़मीन के नीचे होते हैं और झाड़ को पूरा मजबूत पकड़ के रखते हैं. These are the branches. See, big trees have thick branches. These are leaves. This is a flower, fruit and the seed. First we see the seed, or in the fruit, when you eat an apple you can see the seed in it. जो भी fruits हम लोग खाते हैं उसके बीच अंदर एक बीज होती ही है. What do we get from the trees? Now what we get from the trees? Flowers and fruits, grains and vegetables, tea, coffee and sugar. Now how you get sugar? From the sugar cane. Cotton, jute and rubber. Medicines, different kinds of oil seeds, timber for the construction of building. Fuel, timber मतलब लकड़ी जो हम लोग फर्नीचर बनाते हैं उसकी लकड़ी timber बोलते हैं उसको. Fuel for the fire in shagri. फ्यूल मतलब जो हम लोग गांव में लकड़ी डाल के चूल्हा जलाते हैं उसके लिए. ट्रीज ऑल्सो हैव हेल्प टू ब्रिंग रेन. ट्रीज गिव अ शेड ऑल्सो. सी, दिस पीपल आर सिटिंग अंडर द शेड. सो ट्री, बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्री वी गेट शेड ऑल्सो. द ट्री आर मैन्स ट्रू फ्रेंड. सो डू नॉट कट ट्रीज टू डिस्ट्रॉय प्लांट्स thoroughly or destroy plants thoroughly. Okay, so this is the lesson. Now what you have to remember: do not cut trees or pluck flowers and leaves unnecessarily. Take care of the trees. Plant and grow more trees. A tree is man's true friend. Okay children, so this was the lesson of trees. So now what we are going to do, we are going to see the workbook, but I'll teach you the workbook. I'll give the answers in the workbook later. So in the next period. So we'll just orally see this. What is a big tree? What is a big tree? A big tree is a tree which has thick, strong branches and thick trunk. Okay. How do creepers grow? Creepers grow with the help of with the support of other things. Where do you find the roots of the tree? The roots of the tree are under the ground. Name three things that we get from the tree. We get sugar, medicines, timber from the tree. Now put the tick mark over the wrong words. The trunk is big. The trunk of big trees are very thin or thick. They are thick, so thin is wrong. A tree is a true friend or enemy of man. A tree is a true friend. Enemy को wrong करो. Trees help in bringing rain or droughts को और इसको rain को right करो. Do not cut or grow trees unnecessarily. Do not cut. Do not cut trees unnecessarily. Okay. So I'll give you the question answers in the next lecture. Bye children. See you soon.